Proposition 56 is a proposition to increase the cigarette tax in order to fund healthcare, tobacco use prevention, research, and law enforcement. So Proposition 56 increases the tax on cigarettes by 10 cents a cigarette, or $2 a pack, up from the existing tax of 87 cents per pack. So Proposition 56, interestingly, also attempts to tax electronic cigarettes. Now, e-cigs don't have traditional cigarettes, so it's tough to say what 10 cents per cigarette would be like for an e-cigarette. But the proposition allows for the passage of regulations to provide clarity on how exactly e-cigarettes will be taxed. The goal will be to tax each cigarette or cigarette equivalent, in the case of e-cigarettes, by an additional 10 cents. This tax is technically not on the customer, but on the distributor of cigarettes, but it's likely that the distributors will pass on most, if not all, of this tax on to customers. So the goals of Proposition 56 are to decrease the use of cigarettes and tobacco. It's estimated that this tax is going to raise about $1 billion in revenue, at least initially. This revenue is going to be used about 82% to go towards the healthcare treatment of tobacco-related illnesses, about 13% will go towards funding tobacco use prevention, and about 5% will go towards the University of California for medical research on tobacco. In future years, if Proposition 56 is successful in accomplishing its goals, tobacco use will go down, and this $1 billion in estimated revenue generated will go down. In addition, the amount of revenue generated by the existing tax of 87 cents per pack would also possibly go down. There are some funds that already exist that are funded by this existing tax. These are the Cigarette and Tobacco Product Surtax Fund, which funds the research of tobacco-related diseases, health education, and environmental conservation, the Breast Cancer Fund, which funds breast cancer research and prevention, the California Children and Families Trust Fund, which supports early childhood development. Now, if this tax results in these funds losing money, then any money generated by this tax will first go to replenish these funds.